Alright everybody, we're headed out here. I got my light with my, hopefully this works out for you guys, some of the new stuff I got. So you can see, we'll come out to the car, I can turn my light off. It's a little cold here in Batavia. What is it? 37. So we'll come up to the car here, and I'll turn the light off so you can see. Oh, spider webs. I got little spiders in my car. Alright, so you can see that it's not really lit or anything. I know it's hard to tell. I got the LED headlight, LED map lights. So once I start the car, you'll see the rest of this stuff glow, and we'll go around the car too so you can see it. Yeah, can you guys see that? It's nice, you know. I brought all the stuff in around here. It comes to here, and you see it over in here. The driver for this is hidden under here. You guys can see my underfloor lighting down in there. I got it in the front, and I have under lighting in the back. The red, it's like a nice subtle red. That's why I went with this. You know, it does look oranger in the daylight, but when you see at night here, it's definitely red, and it's pretty cool. I got this pretty cool little thing here. I know you can't see it. So when I got this on Amazon. It's you put your finger in front of it, you set your phone in, and it's got a wireless charger back here, so to wireless charge and grip the phone no matter what size it is. So anybody wants to put their phone in there, if they can wireless charge, pretty cool. So anyways, let's take you around. We'll turn off my headlights here. We'll take you around so you can see these axial side markers in the dark too. Let's turn on there we go. So we got our side markers. Let me turn on a little light here. There you go. So you can see we got the red in the back, and we got the green up front. Here, I'll even turn off my light. See, you can see if that pops more. We definitely have our headlights with the fog lights. That's how I run during the day. I do the I set my daytime running lights on, and that gives you the orange lights, and it gives you the white halos, and then it gives you the fog lights. So you can see, you know, basically the same thing. We'll turn the light on here. So it looks pretty good. One thing, oh yeah, now we can see the LED tail light. That's pretty bright. I did get some black blackout pieces for these reflectors, because I think those are kind of annoying. Exhaust. So sounds pretty good. Definitely got to get rid of those mid mufflers. Anyways, I thought you guys would like an update on the Challenger at night. Here, you can even see through the window. I'll turn off the light. You can see it's got that nice striping. My wife says it looks like a Tron car. I don't know about that, but it definitely is pretty cool. It definitely adds a uniqueness to it that you don't see. Here you can see from the driver's side, you can see how the dash is kind of shaped. You know, it's that 70s style. Anyways, so thought you guys might enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.